What's up guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install the Tusk Top Rack on your Suzuki V-Strom 800. Now with these bikes, if you're going to be going on adventure rides, carrying luggage or a duffel bag, you need a nice solid platform to put that on, so you're getting more surface area and tie down points with this top rack. It's really easy to install. Let's get started. For tools, we've got a 10mm socket, medium strength thread lock, safety glasses, a 5mm Allen, and a 13mm combo wrench. As far as parts go, we have the Tusk Top Rack right here. Comes with all the hardware to install it. If you need this, it's available on our website. Just click the link in the description below. The first thing we need to do is remove these two bolts from the stock top rack. We're using our 10mm socket. After that, we're going to install the 5/8 spacers in those two recessed areas where we just removed those bolts. Now we can set the top rack in place. You're going to take your 50mm bolts, apply just a little bit of Loctite at the bottom. Then we're going to install those through the top rack, through the spacer, and thread them into the frame. We'll use the 5mm Allen to start tightening them. We're going to leave them a little loose for now. Then in the back, we've got the 30mm long bolts. Go through the top rack. We've got these big washers and the nylock nuts that are going to go on the back side. Then from here, we can go ahead and tighten down all of our hardware. And in the back, we're just clamping down on this plastic top rack, so don't over tighten these bolts. That's how easy it is to install the Tusk Top Rack on your Suzuki V-Strom 800. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. This is a great addition to our bike. We're also going to be adding pannier racks for our adventure ride. So if you need to know how to do that on your bike, follow us over to that video. Subscribe while you're there. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you need anything for your bike, you can find that on our website. Just click the link in the description below. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.